Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to switch between plans in Fido eSIM, then this video is for you. So here you can see how you can actually change your switch from a physical SIM to eSIM. So it's pretty much easy. So first you have to simply create an account on your Fido application or on Fido website. Then switch to an eSIM using a voucher. You can use a voucher to switch between eSIM. So first sign into your My Account app. Then from the phone tab, select change eSIM, then click on the phone number that you wish to switch to eSIM. They will actually send you a verification code to this number for the verification process. Then enter the verification code you receive and select confirm code. Then select physical SIM or eSIM voucher. Then you have to simply enter the 20-digit number on the back of your eSIM voucher, that select continue. Review the details that appear, then select submit. A message will appear confirming that you want to switch to eSIM. Select continue to move to the last step. A confirmation will appear to let you know that your SIM has been changed. Restart your device to activate your eSIM. Now switch to an eSIM directly on your device. Sign into your My Account app, then from the phone tab select the change SIM, then click on the phone number that you wish to switch to eSIM. They will actually send you some verification code to your number, then enter the verification code you receive and select confirm code. Select this device, then connect your device Wi-Fi, then select download eSIM. Then you will need to install your eSIM before you can switch to it from your physical SIM. Then click activate eSIM, then continue and follow the instruction on your device. Once you are done, you will be redirected to the download eSIM screen. A message confirming that your download was successful will appear. Select dismiss. Tap the toggle beside I have successfully downloaded my eSIM on my device, then select continue. Review the details that appears on the click, then click submit, and a message will appear confirming that you wish to continue. Select submit to switch to eSIM. Then a confirmation will appear to let you know that your SIM has been changed and registered your device to activate your eSIM. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.